Hey guys, it's me Rishabh here again. First of all, I would like to apologize a long coming back to I have been absent here from YouTube for 1 month. I guess the last time I showed you guys my face was I don't even remember exactly. Anyway, just cut the chase. So I'm here on the campus from the beginning of the March, if I'm not wrong, and I have spent a pretty long time within the campus now to share my experiences with you. Frankly speaking, I have got a lot of things to share with you all, but there are some limitations or whatever. Like sometimes I'm not able to find the time for my regular videos, so that's why I'm planning to do is to have some general heart to heart talk with you, like general conversation without any edits and whatever, so share my feelings and experiences, what I am like, to express myself more properly and to connect to you on more personal level to you all. Okay, let's have a look. You guys can have a look of the deserted place, right? So, by the way, our normal general routine videos, like the regular video which I used to post, posted them, like you used to post earlier, those videos will be there for sure, and we'll be adding some of the new collections there. I have some plan for that also, but this video is direct heart to heart talk with you all guys, without any script, nothing. Just I will open up, turn on my camera, I will have a bit of idea in my mind what I need to talk about, and the rest is will keep that fluid, will flow from the conversation itself. And I think it will be really fun to have a direct talk to you guys, all of you. So yeah, let's hope for this. And I'm also very lazy. Like my semester also started, by the way. I don't know if you guys know or not, but my semester started somewhere around the end of the August. It's not that I'm been too much studious. Like it's an online mode. Probably I will make a video on that also. It will be coming somewhere in the next month or this month itself. And but the consistency, I think that the regular videos there is lack of consistency, so to bridge that gap between both of us, I have come up with this idea of where I will be making a journal for myself. Honestly, I'm making this for myself and just putting out there for you guys also to, like, I don't know, like to share it. This is a, like, we need each other this time, like during this quarantine COVID time, we need each other's support in whatever manner it is possible, so it will be mm, very helpful for me also. And at the meantime, Sergi, you guys can also learn or whatever you want to do, like just to know about what's there going on within the campus, or whatever you wish to know about. Okay, well, I will try to post these kind of regular video depending upon, like, these kind of daily blogs video depending upon the feedback which I receive, or I can try something else also. You guys can comment something down in the box, and we'll see and give a try to that also if that also goes well. But right now, what I have planned is that these videos are for sure, and let's see what else we can get sometime later on. But this video will be posted frequently, once or twice in a week, with the day count, like a time stamp, daily tracker, whatever you can say. Let's see, I don't know how much long that will go on. Like I calculate, even actually I hadn't calculated that thing also, like, but still, due to this daily vlog, whatever I'm planning on, I just counted that I'm here on the campus from the month of March. Yeah, in the mid recess I decided to stay in my last semester, so it's been a pretty long time, so why not put the things out there for you guys. Anyway, just keep supporting each other, spread the community support, be there for each other. Okay, bye bye, we'll see you in the next one.